Right, now we're going to start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and I need friendly answers, and the answers should be interesting as well, right?
Okay.
So let's take a start. Your topic is friends. Do you have many friends?
No, I don't have many friends. I have a selective number of friends, but the ones I have are very close to me and they're the true friends that I need.
Okay, that's good. Just you can add a couple of sentences to this answer, right? Let's go on. What do you do with your friends?
Usually we go out to eat or we just spend time at home just chit-chatting or studying. Mostly we watch movies at night when we meet.
Okay. Is it important to have a lot of friends?
No, I think it's not important to have a lot of friends. It's better if we have a selective number, a small group of friends so that we are close to them and we can pay attention and time to them.
Okay, what do you do with your friends together when you meet?
We usually go out to watch movies or we just stay home and study because our study is most important. Other than that, we just spend time chit-chatting or we just play some games.
Okay, why do we need friends?
We need friends to motivate us in our downtimes and mostly to share our happiness and everything. And when we have friends, we have someone on our back that we can depend on.
All right, how often do you make new friends?
Not really often, but sometimes when I go into a new place and meet a new group of people, I mostly find new friends there.
What causes the friendships to break?
Usually misunderstandings or sometimes the lack of time that we give to our friends, and when we don't meet them, and then when we don't talk to them for a long time, that is also one of the reasons.
Okay, do you value your old friends or the new friends?
I value both of my friends because even if they're new or they're old and even if they don't know me much, at least I have friends and I spend time with them.
Okay, what do you do if you come to know that your friends are mean and rude?
Well, I'll just simply start ignoring them, and then as time passes by,
Yeah, what do you do?
and then as time passes, I'll just tell them that I know the reality, and then we'll just break our friendship.
Okay, do you prefer to have friends of your age or older or younger than you?
Age, I think, doesn't matter in friendship because as long as you have the same choices and as long as you have the bond of understanding, then I think age is not a boundary.
All right. Okay, do you like coffee or tea?
I usually like to drink tea because tea is good for headache and it also gives us a fresh mood, and tea is something we can have more often than coffee, so that's why I prefer to drink tea.
Do you remember when you drank tea or coffee last time?
Yes, I drank tea this evening. I sat with my family, we spent some good time. I had tea with cookies and I enjoyed that.
Do you offer coffee and tea to visitors when they come to your house?
Yes, I mostly do offer tea to the visitors who ever come to my house because it is a trend in my country and coffee is not that common. The way whenever we get a chance to serve our guests, we don't offer them coffee, we offer them tea.
Okay, what are the benefits of drinking tea?
Drinking tea makes you feel fresh and you can also use it as a cure for your headache, and it also helps to freshen up your mood, and you can have it whenever you're feeling down or you're feeling lack of energy.
All right. How many hours do you sleep every night?
I sleep for about 6 to 7 hours because I have to wake up early in the morning, so that's why my sleep routine is not very good. I'm trying in making it better, but still I cannot sleep that much.
Okay, do you think it is good to have a nap during the day?
No, it is not very good to have a nap during the day because if we have a nap, it makes us feel lazy the whole day if we cannot sleep properly.
All right. Do you think old people need more sleep than young people?
Old people don't need to sleep more than young people because they have not got so much things to do and they cannot even sleep properly, but they have got some sleeping problems as well as their age increases.
Okay. Have your sleeping habits changed since you were a child?
Yes, when I was small I could sleep a lot, but now I've got a pathetic routine and I've got a lot of things to do. That's why I cannot sleep properly.
Okay.
Looking for questions on purpose.
Sorry, yeah, okay. So that's all. I mean, you guys need to improve your speaking skills, right? And that's really important.
Can you tell me what band school will I
Or the way you are speaking, you'll be able to get 1.5 to 2 band.
Excuse me?
All right, 3 band.
No, increase it.
You'll get the band baja.
No, increase
Okay, you'll be able to get 4 band.
No, the honest. The
Honest
thing,
one.
yeah,
Okay,
honest.
honestly, with this type of speaking, you can score around 7.
Yeah, that's fine. I
But this
can
is
prove
part
that
1.
when
I
to
haven't
IELTS.
checked you with part 2 and part 3.
I hate you.
Let's do it tomorrow and then we will
I'm
decide.
out of this. I don't want to know my band score. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mustang. You want to ask anything?
No, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.